Day 20, 2-0, let's go. Okay. A little bit heavy, 94.6, but still good. Good morning, time to test out the new little coffee machine. Here we go, Mocha Express. Little guy. Open. Where do I start? Jeez, English please. 1933, the invention of Mocha Express. You want pancakes?
Yeah.
Yeah, when Mama wakes up, we can have pancakes, alright?
One.
Coffee. Got the little brew on. Shake the pancake mix. Hey, heat the pancake mix. Cake and some coffee. Good? Ash, what are you watering?
Yeah.
You water in the chair?
Yeah.
You want an espresso? You want a coffee?
Yeah.
Okay. Time of the day, day 20 of 84, Saturday the 17th of October. Currently weighing 94.6, lost 3.5 kilos. And today is brought to you by the world famous wine region of Napa Valley. Went there on my honeymoon. Massive wine drinkers, me and my wife. So, we had pancakes this morning, having leftover tacos and HelloFresh arrivals today. Quote of the day, grow through your fears by facing them head on. That's right, grow through your fears, face them head on. Whatever you're scared of, that is probably the thing that you need to do next. Page 164 of the book, Success in 50 Steps. Get a copy now. Who's that? Mummy?
Daddy.
Yeah, and Daddy. Conehead. Hello. Don't do it. Inspiration delivered. HelloFresh deliveries in the box. In the box, we've got some Italian chicken. We've got some steak and potatoes. We've got some crumbed pork, and we've got some salmon again. Yummo.
I'm not eating.
Protein, we've got salmon, we've got steak, we've got pork, and we've got chicken. Sauces, Greek yogurt, Dijon mustard, a little bit of cheese, smoky aioli, and béarnaise sauce. Arch, where are we going? Arch, where are we at? The Dirty Bird. What do you got? Alright, we're cheating today. It's a cheat day. Good morning. How about some salmon, Arch? Get some pork on your fork. Arch, you happy about it? Mickey? From Safeway. We are back from the shops. We are having tonight a roast. Roast with some potatoes, some Yorkshire puds, carrot, broccoli, cauliflower, pumpkin, some applesauce and gravy. We've also got a cheese board and some desserts for later on, some bananas and sticky date pudding for dessert with double thick cream. Yum, yum, yum. Get on it. First roast of the diet. So, yeah, can't wait. Time to... This little bad boy today. Pumpkin. Okay. Babysitters are here. Prepping the pork crackle roast, so just put a bit of salt and some olive oil and then we'll chuck her in the oven. Prepped up some broccoli and cauliflower to bake with a bit of cheese sauce and some almonds. Yummy. Over tacos. Just drenched this in olive oil and put water in the bottom of the pan, so we're about to put it in the oven. Just had a shower, got the carers over today. Can have a little bit of wine today, it's been 3 weeks. Cheese platter and a roast. Yummo. A little bit of a cheese platter for the afternoon. Treated by McDonald's. Not by me. Naughty boy. Put this bad boy in the oven. Shelf, 230 degrees, and wait. On for a percolated coffee. Oh, here we go. Pop the roast veggies in there. Carrots, potatoes, pumpkin. On for a jack. A glass of pepper jack. I've been thinking about you. The table is set for a roast. The fat off it. Let it sit for half an hour in foil. To crackle more. And the potatoes. For Yorkshire! Sheer puddings. You sit there nicely. Crackle. And that is the pork. The pork is done. Put some pork on your fork.
A chef, but maybe I'm a house chef.
And that's how you do a roast, ladies and gentlemen. A little bit like that. Some wine, some crackle, and some gravy. Yum. That is a Saturday night roast. Don't forget the applesauce. Petite.
And that's it, that's 7:30, the little man's down, the carers have gone home, the roast has been done, the wine has been drinking, and the cheese has been ate, and the dessert has not yet been. Actually did enjoy the wine, funny enough. Go off wine for 3 weeks and now you're over it, so,
Yeah, day 20, guys.
And with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, out, bye.